This is a folding kayak, and there are a couple of these tabs here that are made of plastic that have cracked, and basically made these folding kayaks unusable. There are 2 tabs on this particular kayak here that need to be replaced. So my plan is to remove this. These are attached by poppet rivets, and then 3D print a part to replace this, and then reattach it with some rivets.
Yep. Okay, see.
Popped out.
Goggles on. Okay, this is what happens sometimes. We'll have to figure out another way to do this.
Okay, I just had to pause the video. This is gonna take too long, and you don't want to see an hour-long video of me just popping this thing off. Okay, here's the other part that we need. This is done in polycarbonate, which is probably one of the stronger plastics you can use for 3D printing, and it's also holds up to the heat pretty well. So when you're on your kayak out in the water, you can't use some of the basic filaments because it will soften on you. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you've got this aligned in the right direction, because this is a real pain in the butt to remove if you do it incorrectly. So probably the next hardest part of this whole effort is to figure out what kind of poppet rivet you need and the washer size. Okay, make sure that's flush. Oh, got it. So it's on. The next test will be to see whether or not it will actually hold.